Oh, my kickstand's loose. Oh no! You okay? Oh. Oh. Welcome back to another adventure. I'm Scott with Cornerstone Adventures, and we have here today Camera Mom.
Hi.
Welcome to Cary. Welcome to Cary State Forest. Give me a second, catch my breath, and park my bike.
Oh.
Well, Camera Mom's taking pictures of dragonflies over here. This is what we're gonna do today. A little plan of action. A little pre-con meeting. I don't know if y'all can see the map right there, but we got this little area we're going to try out. If you're new to the state forest system, if you notice, we do prescribe burns. It's not that it's a wildfire. It's probably one of the best things you could do for these woods out here. If they're going to spend the money to put these, I'll use them. Plus it just looks so awesome. Like it's just gonna be there waiting for me when I get out. Oh, off topic. Got a men's and a women's. They got indoor plumbing, babe.
Fancy.
Please be advised, this restroom is an open air building, and pests such as, I don't know what that word is right there, or that one, can be found in this area on occasion. Please use caution when using this restroom and showers. And as always, oh boy. Look for some snakes. Got a shower. Comes with some head and shoulders. Yeah. This is I'll give it an A+. Of course, she's not going in there because of that sign. She just don't know what we're going to see out here. It's pretty much guaranteed we're going to see those. What, babe?
You just stick your bicycle tire in the hole?
I literally just went through that. But,
Look.
Yeah. Just stick it in the hole.
That's nice.
How are you going to get out?
I don't know. I don't have backwards.
You don't have a reverse?
No.
Okay. We'll drop it off at the shop later. Let's go. Alright, so we'll keep y'all updated. We're going to head out. Start getting some rotational turns underneath us on this old bicycle here. Stay tuned. Looks like this is where the forestry headquarters is. This is in Duval County, Florida, and they really went all out here. You know, if you watch my videos, I'm a big fan of Jennings State Forest. That's Clay County. This is a whole different county right here. So they got all the toys, nice road graders, trucks. So big shout out to them. Florida State Forest, Duval County. All right, so here we are. Difficult decision when you bring Camera Mom. Fox Tower Road and Fox Squirrel Road intersecting. They do have hiking trails. We're going to do another series. We're going to do a series out here as well, hiking and biking. But anyhow, we're gonna either go 7 miles down Fox Squirrel Road, or what does that say? 17? 12 and a half miles that way. No. Either 7 miles that way or 12 and a half miles that way. I believe this one is there and back. This one I think is a loop that loops back around to this, according to the map here. So we'll leave it up to her.
We're definitely doing the shorter.
Pro tip, if it's her idea, you don't have to hear about it. So I'm up for either one. So I'm gonna give her a few minutes to contemplate that, and then let's get back to her. Hey, where are we headed?
The shorter one.
Which one's the short one?
Down Fox Squirrel Road.
The Fox Squirrel Road?
Yeah, Fox Squirrel.
Okay.
It's too hot for the long one.
It might be 7 there and 7 back. I don't know.
No. It better be a loop.
Let's go. Boy, what an eager beaver up there. Somebody who really wasn't thrilled about it. He's taking off. All right, I'll catch y'all up. We're just at 1 mile in. I'll check back in with y'all in a few more miles down the road. Well, we're at 2.5 miles in Chicken Farm Road. I said, find you a cadence and I'll just keep up with you. You just start talking. I think she's worried about this 7.5 miles being actually 15 miles. Moving on. Well, we're right at 3 miles in. My bike's developed a slight squeak.
Oh.
I'm trying to keep up with an e-bike. Did you get a prescription for that? Your e-bike?
Yeah.
I called Miss Green yesterday to get a prescription. You know what she told me? I'm a hypochondriac. There's nothing wrong with my knee. Yeah, for the Iguana River Trail wildlife management area video. Yeah, so.
Okay. I clearly need an e-bike.
You got a prescription?
Yes.
Okay. We've officially left the gravel, and now we are on some wet sand. So, if you're expecting it to be all gravel, it's not. Oh
no.
Dunnage.
Oh boy, I'm off-roaded.
So one of my concerns, because she's way up there, I'm doing 9-10 miles an hour. Good cadence. But I got a feeling she's got hers in some mode, super assisted mode. And I don't know the length of that battery, but she may have to do without pedal assist on the way back if she gets too crazy. Uh-oh, she stopped picking wedgies. Better stop talking. Storm alert.
We better not get started. Storm, I swear.
I think it's just we're in a low area here. Barometric pressures drop. It does that occasionally. But then again, I see that black cloud up there too.
Oh, yeah.
That doesn't look too promising. It just seems like every time I do something, I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, it's there.
Storm alert.
It is pretty humid out.
That's this.
So,
okay.
there's probably going to be a storm.
Do you need a break? Can we continue?
This is our break.
All right.
And I have my water on my
Sucking
back.
it down?
My camel pack.
Yeah. Anyways, we're going to move on. I got called in the rain yesterday. Yesterday, so I'm not going to second guess that. I'm going to get ahead of her this time, though.
What's it going fast now?
Well, we're back on a gravel road.
I just stand up.
Seems like it's a main drag. The roads are pretty maintained out here, so
That's nice.
not a lot of issues with sand or anything, so. Everything going good on your end?
Yep, very good.
Alright.
Shocks on this bike are really good. I had to stand up and really give it to her.
You gave her all the beans?
All of them.
Every beans you had, you gave to it, didn't you?
I did.
All right. Is she going wee-weeing? Oh no. Thought she popped a squat. She is a squat popper. Random squat popper. But we're back on Fire Tower Road. Right at 5 miles in. So about 2 miles. So about 2 miles left.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
There she goes. Well, we made it back. There's your 17.8 miles.
Stop. I feel like my legs are a little sore.
It was only 7 miles.
That's a lot.
Yeah, my watch beeped at me and said, you know, you're behind on pace. And I said, well, I don't have a prescription for an e-bike. So I'm going to see Dr. Green Tuesday.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to talk to her about that. My knee's been just jacked up. Just jacked up.
Is it because you're bow-legged?
It may be, but thanks for calling me out on that.
I mean, everybody can see it when you walk.
Yeah, I know. I get it. Winn-Dixie, I can see that walk from 1,000,000 miles away. Well, we just had us a nice little picnic lunch here. How was your lunch, babe?
It was good. I feel better.
Pleasantly good conversation with the camp host out here, Mr. John, right?
Yeah.
Mr. John, he's pointed us in the direction of an old tower. I don't know if you can see it over there. So we're gonna go over there, check it out, and maybe throw the drone up there. That'd be cool, right?
Here, Mr. John.
Here's Mr. John right there. Awesome dude. You see him out here, give him a big old wave. Does a lot for the trails out here. Oops. Anyhow, some of the highlighted things I discussed with Mr. John was about this tower. It is definitely closed off. You cannot climb it, so please don't try to. But anyhow, let's go check this sucker out. Definitely some cool spots to hang out. What do you think, camera mom?
Yeah.
First reaction?
That's nice.
I'm like literally trying to walk away from you.
Stop!
And you're just steady getting closer.
I did notice that the trash cans are not bear-proof.
Mama bear proof?
Mama bear-proof. It would be nice if there was like shade over there. Because...
Okay. You
So
can tell
you
where
used to
they...
climb all the way up this for an observation.
Yeah, please don't look. You can literally see bolts all out of it. Some of the bracing.
Look at the sides.
There's
It's
no
what,
steps. Babe,
chicken
this
wire?
this thing's probably, I would say, at least 60 years old.
I mean, that's like
You know?
farm fence. That's not going to help you.
You know, that's where they had their radio equipment in here.
That's not safe.
And there's looks like an antenna up there still. It'd be cool if they let us come activate it, like some Parks on the Air stuff.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, I just got my amateur radio's license, and we're gonna get into some of that POTA stuff. POTA, POTA. You know, and if you're watching this and you are one, this would be a great place to activate. This little area here. Yeah, I mean, I say so, but you know, I haven't really done it yet. So, as far as I can know, to my knowledge, this looks like a great place to activate. It'd be even cooler if we could toss a antenna up there. But anyways, hey, I'm gonna throw this drone up, babe. You ready to throw this drone up?
Yeah.
We'll get a little.
I want to see what it looks like.
See what it looks like. So. that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the drone footage. If you see anything out here that you would like for us to see when we come back, we're gonna do the hiking. They got some boardwalks and stuff out there. We may come out here and help them repair them, just so we can get in there. They're closed right now. Camera mom, you got anything to say?
Till next time.
She did a great job out here in the heat, being hungry and out of water. So, till next time.